नाजरीन आपको बताएं, कराची में दूसरी बैन अल-अक़वामी फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर नुमाइश वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ की नुमाइश की तकरीब से खिताब। आइए आपको बरह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Cricket and hockey, because we have been excelling in these sports many years ago, and today, like our shining agri-exports, we should once again rekindle the hopes to promote cricket, hockey and other sports in Pakistan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start and begin by congratulating our very progressive farmers all over Pakistan for their commendable efforts to grow rice and other agri items which were exported last year, and there has been an increase of at least $3 billion in our agri export. And along with our progressive farmers, we must commend all four provincial governments, chief ministers and provincial agriculture ministers and provincial agri secretaries, and of course Federal Minister of Commerce and Agriculture, and all those who have played a pivotal role in contributing in our exports of agri products. But this is not enough. Pakistan, by the grace of God, has huge potential, which has till this point in time hasn't been fully exploited for a variety of reasons. And it is time that we really put our act together and do everything possible within our domain to produce more, create more surplus capacities by engaging Pakistani agri-experts, international experts, to increase our per acre yield of our agri-produce by providing very healthy inputs, and of course having access to most modern technologies and techniques to not only increase our agri production, but as Motiwala just said, that largely it has been our raw agri produce exports, which is not enough. It doesn't reflect our strength, our potential. We have to have value addition, and for that we need to take lots of steps and measures. For example, we need to have modern techniques, modern technology.
वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ का कहना है कि हम अपने हीरो अरशद नदीम को ज्वलन थ्रू में तलाई तमगा जीतने पर मुबारकबाद पेश करते हैं। हमें अब क्रिकेट और हॉकी समेत दीगर खेलों में भी कामयाबियां हासिल करनी होंगी। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का मजीद कहना है कि अरशद नदीम ने तलाई तमगा हासिल करके पाकिस्तान का सर फख्र से बुलंद कर दिया है।
Loans to our SMEs in rural areas, our youth will get productively deployed, and that will be a great leap forward in enhancing our agri efforts, and our rural area will become very progressive and shift to large cities will come to a grinding halt. So this requires a very comprehensive planning and comprehensive, effective implementation. I was in China in June this year, and I visited, amongst other provinces, Shanxi province. And in Xi'an, we went to one of the finest agri center in China, and whatever we saw over there, at least I was wonderstruck. Most modern methods and practices were deployed over there, we saw over there. And yet China is still a net importer of agri products, livestock, and many other areas where Pakistan can get a space, provided we are able to understand today's demands and are able to put in place required mechanism. Government of Pakistan is fully committed and dedicated to provide all kinds of support to our exporters, to our producers, and there is no two opinion about this fact that Pakistan has always been, and even today, after having missed many opportunities, green basket, most definitely for our brothers in Gulf states and other parts of the world. For that, we need to really gear up and stand up and accept the challenge. Alhamdulillah, ever since this government has come into being, we have taken certain steps, and it's a long journey. For example, 18,000 tubewells in Balochistan are being now connected to solar energy, and federal government and Balochistan government are jointly sharing the cost. Similarly, after returning from China, we have made a very comprehensive plan, and we are sending, federal government is sending 1,000 agri graduates to China, various universities of China, to get modern training in agriculture practices. And they will be going to Shanxi University and many other universities in China. And the government of Pakistan is going to pick up their entire boarding and lodging cost. And this 1,000 force getting modern training from Chinese agri universities will be a great strength to our farming community. While I was traveling to Karachi from Islamabad, I inquired from Minister of Agriculture, Rana Tanveer, and
ज़रूरी माहिरीन की खिदमात से ज़रूरी पैदावार में इजाफ़ा किया जा सकता है। वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा, वफाक और सूबों को मिलकर ज़रूरी शोबे की तरक्की पर तवज्जो देनी है। पाकिस्तान में ज़रूरी बरामदात में इजाफ़े के वसी मौक़े मौजूद हैं।
We have a wonderful brotherly relation with Turkey as well. And again, two countries can play a very important role. We can engage our brotherly countries in the Gulf states and have wonderful mutual cooperation.
कराची में दूसरी बैन अल-अक़वामी फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर नुमाइश से वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे।